Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS LTD deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Kissmetrics. So Kissmetrics is an analytics platform that can track the top KPIs in your website. KPI means the key performance indicators, and by tracking these metrics, you can monitor the user behavior. According to that behavior, you can organize your website in a way that is super friendly to your visitors, and this way you can boost the conversion rate. And on Kissmetrics, you are going to get metrics like unique visitors, traffic source, the amount of conversion rate, bounce rate, and all this stuff. And the great news is this tool is available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is close to $2,000, but at Appsumo, you are getting this deal at only $59. Kissmetrics is an alternative to Google Analytics, Mixpanel, and Pendo. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this tool. So here are all the features that you are going to get with Kissmetrics Lifetime Deal. And here are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 is going to cost you $59, whereas the tier 2 costs you $129. On this tier, there are some additional features such as the revenue report, cohort report, and also A/B testing report. And you can also opt for the license tier 3, which costs $299. It has the highest limits as well as all the additional features that you get on license tier 2. So if you want to buy the lifetime deal of Kissmetrics from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into Kissmetrics, you're going to get this dashboard. And first, it is going to ask you to set up Kissmetrics with your website. And the setup procedure is super simple. All you have to do in the first step is that copy this code, and then you have to put this into the head tag of each page of your website. And once you do that, you have to come to the second step, which is click on this live tab. And once you click on this, you're going to get redirected to a page where you can see if your data is flowing from your website to Kissmetrics so that Kissmetrics can track all of the KPIs. And that's all for installing Kissmetrics on your website. It is a super simple process. So once you successfully install it, you will be able to enjoy all of the features. The first feature I want to show you is the metrics that are coming from your website. You can see them on Kissmetrics. So let's go to this tab. So here is what the metrics page look like. Here you are going to get a lot of key performance indicators such as the total amount of revenue you are getting, the site visits, the purchases, ad campaign hits, and also a lot of other metrics as you can see. And you can filter them by yesterday, last 7 days, this week, last week, this month, or even last month. And if you think these metrics are not enough, you can even add new metrics. For that, click on this add new metric. And then from here, you can select the metrics. And once you select the metric, you are going to get various options such as the metric name, the metric description. You can select various events for this metric. You can also select the filter property if you want. And then you can save this metric. And the best part is you can have different metrics. For example, these metrics are the amount of purchases and purchasers. So as you can see, this metric is marked by this red color or pink color. So this way you can divide various colors into various metrics. For example, for these red colors or pink colors, I have purchases and purchasers. And if I click on this yellow color dot, so as you can see now we are in another page where we are seeing some other metrics. So it is about purchase conversion, visit to purchase conversion, paid campaign to purchase conversion. So this could be very helpful for marketing team. And now we can also have another metric for another color. For example, it could be blue color. So let's click on this. And there you go. As you can see, here is another metrics about total revenue and the average revenue per customer. These types of infos are very helpful for sales reps. And now if I show you the dashboard, so here's the dashboard, and on this dashboard, you're going to get various data with visual. So as you can see, here is the campaign source with a graph. Then there is purchase by campaign name, the added to cart visual or graph. You also have e-commerce funnel. And if I scroll down, here are all the visual data or the graph in more details. You also get the visited site analytics. So this is amazing. The dashboard shows you all the data, all the analytics with visuals. Apart from visual data on your dashboard, you can also see your customers or your visitors in various categories. For example, how many people are adding products to cart, how many people are new visitors. So Kissmetrics divide this type of people, similar people, into various categories. To see that, you have to go to this population section. And here is that. So as you can see, 3x buyers. So this is the number of 3x buyers that you have. And then abandoned cart, which means how many people are adding products to their carts and then abandoning them, not purchasing them. So you can see that too on here. So 14,000 people are abandoning carts. And then you can also see big spenders, which means how many people are spending a lot of money on your website buying products or services. So this is the number. And you can even see the change rate on this right section, which is amazing. And if you want, you can even filter this data from here. And then there is another section on Kissmetrics, which is this reports. Let's click on this. On this report section, you are going to get various reports about your visitors. So activity reports. So on this activity report section, you can see what your visitors are doing on your website. You can also see the funnels, which means the steps they are taking to buy your product. You can see cohort reports, revenue reports, and so many other types of reports on Kissmetrics. Last but definitely not least, Kissmetrics also has a lot of data integration platforms. So here are all of those, as you can see. Overall, I think Kissmetrics is an excellent tool to run a website properly. Websites are a big part of your business, and a lot of times we analyze our business, but we forget to analyze the most important part about our business, which is our website. And this is exactly where Kissmetrics shine. It gives you all of the key performance indicators or key metrics that you have to keep in mind in order to attract more visitors, in order to retain your visitors, in order to turn your visitors into customers. So overall, I have to say this tool is an amazing one, especially if you're running a business and your business depends a lot on website. And if you want to buy Kissmetrics, I don't think there is a better time to do it because it is available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So you will get the link in the description below if you're interested to purchase it. Here are all the features that you are going to get with this tool. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.